Hey guys, this is Ryan, and in this video you're going to learn how to find and apply for pay-per-call affiliate networks. Finding the right affiliate network to work with can make or break a campaign for a variety of reasons. The process is not hard, but there are some intricacies that I want to share with you that will save you a lot of time, money, and headaches up front. So let's quickly cover how the affiliate network business model works. Affiliate networks are middlemen. They connect products and services to marketers. A campaign will list their product with a network, and marketers can choose to promote that product for commission. You'll also likely hear these networks referred to as CPA networks. CPA stands for cost per action. In this context, the term CPA is describing the model in which affiliates get paid, which is a per action basis. An action could involve a user submitting their contact info to an email list, downloading a mobile app, or even directly calling the business. Working with an affiliate network is a great way for marketers to leverage the network's relationships. This allows the marketer to focus on implementation and gathering data rather than sales and client management. First off, I've created a list of common pay-per-call networks that you should immediately apply to, and that's linked in the description section below this video. These networks have a large amount of pay-per-call offers, so are a great place to start, and they accept a lot of newbies. However, there may be a situation where the offer you're looking for is not offered by any of the major listings, or you may be looking to split test offers and need to find some more networks offering your industry or vertical. In these cases, you'll likely have to do some digging. The first place to start is this site called Offer Vault, which is likely the largest database of affiliate marketing platforms online. Simply type in some keywords for your offer and hit the pay-per-call button. This will display information about the offer as well as the network offering it. Keep in mind that Offer Vault is not the only database out there. That being said, finding additional similar databases would be your next step if you still can't find any offer for your vertical. The third step to take if you're still having trouble finding your desired offer is to do some Google searches. First, try searching directly for your vertical, followed by the term affiliate network or CPA network. You can even narrow the results by placing quotes around any of the words to make sure the phrase is mentioned in the results. You can also search by whatever your vertical is, phone calls, which will bring up companies selling calls to your desired industry. From there, click through to each site and first check if they have any links on the site, usually in the header or the footer, that mention affiliates, partnerships, or a publisher. Publisher, by the way, is just another word used interchangeably with affiliate. If you're not finding any links specifically, you might as well reach out to these companies, send an email, submit a contact form, ping them on social media, and even try to find individuals who work there. Use the search operator, whatever the company name is, site:/linkedin.com. This will bring up people who have the company listed in their profiles for you to connect with. Reach out and ask if they work with publishers/affiliates, and if so, could they connect you with their affiliate manager. I had to do recon like this for hours before finding a lesser known offer, but this may be worth it to you as it will give you access to offers that are unsaturated by other affiliates. Lastly, you can find both companies and individuals looking to buy calls in certain Facebook groups. Just type relevant keywords to your vertical into the Facebook search bar and select groups to find a list of potential Facebook groups. The pay-per-call group is one for sure that I know has a ton of people looking to buy and sell calls. Use this group search bar to quickly find people mentioning your vertical. Part of optimizing an affiliate campaign is split testing offers. Each network's offer will have slightly different terms, different target zip code lists, different automated messaging systems, and because of this, you'll likely have to test each to find which one performs the best. You may find that one network has a higher payout, but their zip code list isn't entirely accurate, so you end up paying a lot of extra money for leads that don't get handled by a servicer. In the next video, I'll show you what to look for in order to choose a strong offer, but the fact of the matter is this: don't rely too heavily on theory, as testing will provide the actual truth. For this reason, I suggest you apply to a lot of networks up front. The more networks you're accepted into, the more options you have, the more tests you can run, and the more likely you'll end up with a profitable campaign. Aim for applying to between 8 to 12 networks, and you'll likely get into 4 or 6 of those. Sometimes applying to CPA Networks is a catch-22. They want to work with an experienced marketer with a proven pay-per-call track record, but you need to get into one first before getting any experience. Keep in mind that there are a lot of networks that won't accept you until you have proven experience, or at the very least can show some sort of marketing history. Networks will generally ask you about your marketing experience within the application. Answer these as truthfully as possible and provide as much detail as you can about your experience. Your experience doesn't even need to be directly related to lead generation, as long as it demonstrates you have an understanding of marketing in general. A good rule of thumb is that you can't go wrong with more information during the application phase. Don't worry if you're very new to all this, you can get around this with a decent amount of networks simply by showing that you're committed. You can easily set yourself apart by immediately calling the network after submitting your application. Tell them that you just submitted an application as a publisher and want to know if there is any other information they need in order to expedite the review process. This simple act will immediately increase the amount of networks you're accepted into and will speed up the review process, which can sometimes take weeks. There's also some sales techniques that you can use to feign competence when talking with an affiliate manager during the review process. The easiest trick is to ask intelligent, industry-specific questions. I have a complete list of questions to ask your affiliate manager, which use lingo used in the affiliate industry, which will immediately increase your chances of being accepted. These questions indicate you know the industry, even if you may not have proof to back it up. These questions can be found in the Lead Gen Power Pack, linked in the profile of my YouTube channel and also in the description below this video. In any event, it's super important to establish good communications with your affiliate manager before, during, and after the review process, as they will be your direct line of contact. Affiliate managers want you to do well so you can leverage their understanding of what is working to get an idea of what you should be doing. That's it for this quick video guide on applying for affiliate networks. I encourage you to start applying right this moment and try to do as many as you can in one go. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be able to promote offers and make more money. Head over to the next video in the series where I'm going to go over what to look for in a high converting offer. I'll see you guys then. Cheers.